Hey everyone, Dave back with you with a different kind of video tonight. I am in my home office, which happens to be in my basement. And you might hear an echo here because this thing is completely gutted right now. After Tropical Storm Helene came through, it was a hurricane in Florida. It really hammered the Carolinas. We had a lot of rain from that heavy rain, nowhere near what the poor folks south of us suffered. But we took a lot of water in our basement as a result, and you can still see moisture weeks later running along the walls. So I happened to be out of town at the time, came home, got home late at night to put my computer bag in my office and my desk. Stepped in here in socks and felt like a wet sponge on my carpet. So we've had to deal with basement flooding, and I don't know what the cause and what the effect was, but after that, we had a pipe, the main water pipe supply line leading into the house down low here. This is undergrade. On the front of the house, the ground shifted and that pipe sprung a leak. So water has been continuously running for weeks on the other side of this wall, leaking into my basement. So this is a long-winded way of saying that I don't want any sympathy or anything like that. Life happens, right? But this is a little hallway here to my bathroom, some kayaking stuff, some articles I've written that's gotten published over the years. Yeah, some people like to read my crap. But this room is completely empty. I had to pull all the carpet up. And I just want to do this review to say that what I'm doing now is I'm going to have to repopulate this office. I had like a desk and a credenza from like 25 years ago that, you know, it was the particle board, build it yourself type stuff that sucked up water from the floor here, from the flooding. Had to throw all that away, had to tear it apart, throw it away. And I got to repopulate this office in the next few weeks. Once we get this dried out, I'm going to have somebody look at the foundation, pull some drywall, see if there's mold and whatnot. But I'm going to have to repopulate, and I'm rethinking how do I set up my work life. Now, I work a full-time job, and that's like 8 hours a day at least sitting at a desk in this small little room here. This is where I spend a ridiculously large proportion of my life. So I spend an 8-hour day here, go upstairs, eat dinner with the family, visit, get caught up, and then at least a couple times a week I'm back down here for a couple more hours doing product reviews or kayaking videos, doing social media stuff like that. So I spend a lot of time in this tiny little room. You know, I got a lot of my kayaking crap up here, some guitars, medals, awards, you know, stuff like that. But I'm rethinking how do I rebuild this office? I have a chance to start fresh here, and I'm going to repopulate this space with things with like ergonomics and health friendliness in mind. So I'm going to do some reviews over the next month here, showing you how I rebuild my office, how I rethink it, how I reimagine it to fit into a more healthy lifestyle, less sedentary during the days. You know I'm an avid outdoors person in kayaking and hiking, but that's like weekend warrior type stuff. I don't live my life like that every day because I just don't have enough hours in my day. I do hit the gym like 6 times a week, so I have that. But I spend a lot of time sitting and doing desk and office work. So I just want to bring you along on the journey and explain why I'm going to do some reviews that I'm about to do with like new desks and chairs. I think at the bare minimum, I'm going to do like a stand-up desk. And I'm looking right now at ones that are motorized where you can actually lower them to sit or raise it up to stand. I like the idea of having an adjustable stand-up desk just to, change my position. I'm seeing a chiropractor now because I got neck and back stuff going on. I got the lateral epicondylitis going on. And I'm just like rethinking my whole lifestyle really from a working point of view. Like, how can I be more healthy in my office space? So I just wanted to set that up for you to let you know the reviews you're going to see. I'm going to continue to do kayaking reviews and whatnot, but I thought it might be fun to just show you like what stuff I choose to put back into my office now that I have like a clean slate to set it up from a more healthy perspective. So that's what this is. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Stay healthy, be strong, stay fit, and we'll talk, like, good Lord willing, and the creeks don't rise and the walls don't flood. We'll talk very, very soon. Thank you so much.